Today we have our leftover Italian beef, and I'm gonna be making an Italian beef quesadilla. So we got Italian Mexican food here coming here. All right, so let's start this. We got our. You've seen this before. This is gonna be delicious. All right, we just want this to be warmed up. It's warm enough, we can put a nice layer of butter on here. Okay, put our tortilla down. This is getting nice and warm. Okay, we can see this is starting to pop up. All right, we can see this is starting to pop up with our bubbles. You can look on the other side. That's getting a nice golden brown. All right, so let's go ahead, butter this up, flip it over, turn it down to medium. Make sure you get all the air pockets out. All right, so I have a mix. This is extra sharp provolone cheese, mozzarella cheese, and some Parmigiano Romano. Okay, it's a mix, 4 cheese. So we got a nice Italian mix of cheeses here. Put on our quesadilla. Fill in the gaps. Okay. Let's start with our Wickles spicy red pepper sandwich spray. All right, this is good stuff. It's not officially giardiniera, Chicago style giardiniera, but it's pretty close. So we're just gonna sprinkle some of this on, spread it out a little bit. We're gonna have a nice hot peppers. Alright, so that's good. This is a really good pepper spread. Now I'm gonna do some banana peppers since we don't have giardiniera. We'll do some banana peppers. A mixture of these two makes a really good flavor. So we got our banana peppers. We have our banana peppers and our pepper spread, our hot spicy pepper spread. Alright, so go ahead and put these banana peppers on here. Spread them out real good. Alright, I got my Italian beef. Now I took this, I put it in the microwave so it's nice and hot. And I'm just going to put this like I do with all my quesadillas. I'm just going to put this on half. There we go. Put all this meat. This is nice. This is nice and meaty. Now I don't usually put a lot of juice in my quesadilla, but since this is Italian beef, I'm going to take this juice and pour it all over the top of it. Spread that around a little bit. Now we can fold it. Oh, look at that. All right, the juice is coming out. See that? This is looking really good. Look at that quesadilla. Doesn't that look good? Oh, spicy. Okay, I got my knife. I'm gonna cut this into my quesadilla pieces. All right, and here we go. This is an Italian beef quesadilla. Nice and cheesy. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Mmm. Mmm. That is fantastic.